What's up, XRP holders and guys? Most of you watching this video are not prepared mentally for what is about to happen to XRP, to crypto here in the next days, in the next weeks. I want to show you some key metrics, some key signals that are right now flashing, guys, that shouldn't be ignored. And no one is talking about the stuff that I will show you in this video. I urge all of you to watch it until the end. I know it's a Sunday, but this is key information. First, of course, like the video. Can we get this one back above 1,000 likes? I would, of course, highly appreciate that. Let's get into it. Okay, so as you can see, XRP looks really bullish. This is a 2-week time frame. We have this confirmed breakout, as you can see. And if we compare this with the breakout from 2024, then you can see that we are currently roughly at the same spot, which I marked out with this circle over here, just to give you an indication of how much upside there is still possible here for XRP in the coming days, in the coming weeks. Now, the opportunity is, of course, not just in XRP, because HBAR also recently broke out from this falling wedge and is right now absolutely going parabolic. So this is also a very bullish development, and you can also call this a bull flag. And if we project the price target, then we do know from a probability standpoint that there is a pretty high chance that HBAR could set a new all-time high very soon. So I just wanted to make you aware of this. Also in the immediate short term, we can see that if we focus on XRP's liquidation heat map, that all the liquidity to the upside has been taken from the short positions. So people had their stop losses at 270. I made you aware of this in the last video, and XRP took the liquidity here, which is beautiful to see. So we have this massive short squeeze, and right now we are, you could say, very close to price discovery. Below us, yes, there is a slight build-up here of long positions, but nothing major, nothing compared to what we have seen in June. So for now, I think the trend looks fairly strong and healthy, and I don't see any reason of why XRP couldn't go higher from this point onward. Also, if we take a look at what the whales are currently doing, so these are the highest XRP long positions currently open on the futures market. This is from Hyperliquid. Then we do note that there are some whales currently in massive profits here. The top side, $2.3 million, 2.2 million, 1.1 million in unrealized profits here. So these positions are still open with leverage 20x. Leverage here, are these from insiders? Most likely they are, but these positions are still open and they're not closing these positions right now. And that means that there's probably still expecting more upside for XRP in the short term. Also, guys, if we take a look at XRP's weekly scale here with the MACD indicator on the bottom side of the screen, then you can see that we are getting extremely close here to golden or bullish crossover on the MACD. And the last time that this happened on the, I think this is the weekly, yes, on the weekly MACD, was literally at the beginning of November, when XRP rallied from 50 cents to over $3 in a short amount of time. And right now that same bullish crossover is imminent for XRP. So are we about to see another, what is it, 300, 400, 500% rally? Well, that remains to be seen, but it is definitely looking very bullish. And the next major signal that I wanted to show you is actually on XRP's 2-weekly time frame. On the bottom side of the screen, we can see the stochastic RSI indicator, and we are right now moving up from oversold. And the last time on the 2-weekly scale that the stochastic RSI went in oversold and went higher was actually in July, and that was when XRP was trading at 38 cents. And we are right now seeing the same buy signal, but this time XRP is priced at $2.80. Absolutely insane, but this same buy signal is flashing, and yeah, let's see what is about to happen. I'm extremely excited. I'm very bullish, optimistic for the future of altcoins, in this case for XRP, for HBAR, of course. By the way, if you guys want to see more HBAR content or Algorand or Q&T content here on the channel, let me know in the comments. Of course, I'm willing to make these videos as well, because for now I'm only covering these cryptos on Twitter, on X, but if you want to see them on YouTube as well, let me know in the comments. The last chart that I want to show you is actually this one. XRP's history is repeating. If you look at the bull run from 2017, we had an initial pump to the upside, then we had 6 months of consolidation, and eventually another massive move higher for XRP in 2017. And if you're wondering how high was this monthly candle, it was roughly a 15 or 16x for XRP. that specific monthly candle alone. Now, right now, we're seeing the same thing in 2025. We had an initial rally to the upside for XRP, then 6 months of sideways price action or a correction, and right now the next breakout is starting. So is history repeating? I think it is definitely at least going to rhyme for XRP, so we can expect a very bullish third quarter and fourth quarter here of 2025, in my opinion. Now, if you want to buy or trade XRP or any altcoin, I would highly recommend Phemex, WEEX, or BLOFIN. My referral links are down below in the video description. If you use my referral links, then for example, you can claim a 20% deposit bonus over on Phemex, huge welcome bonuses on WEEX, on BLOFIN as well, and your trading fees are going to be very low if you use my links down below. So definitely check it out if you're interested. That was it, guys, for today's XRP analysis. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Also follow me over on Instagram. The link is down below. I'm posting XRP content, crypto content over there, which I'm not always publishing over here on YouTube, so it's definitely worth it. I want to thank you all for watching, for the support, of course, and I see you very soon in another XRP update. Bye bye.